Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you for patchwork crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers, patchwork cushions covers bring colorful fabric squares together to make a bright cushion cover. It can make your sofa or bed look warm and cheerful. Patchwork door bag use leftover fabric piece to create a stylish shopping bag. It is useful, reusable, and friendly. Patchwork table runner join different fabric strips to make a table runner. It's add a lovely handmade touch to your dining table. And weavers, my next idea is friends. And patchwork wall hanging, design a colorful walls decoration using fabric pieces, add button, layers or embroidery for extra beauty. And friends, the weavers, patchwork pencil pouch, bring colorful patches into a zip pouch. It is perfect for stocking pens, pencil or small items. And weavers, so my next idea is weavers. I hope you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe.